Hi everyone. The first website I'm going to tell you about is code.org. It gives students elementary through high school a way to learn how to computer program. These students can do fun activities just to learn the basics of how computer programming works. I chose this because I want to give my students the opportunity to problem solve as well as learning to use their growth mindset, that they probably aren't going to get something the first time, but if they keep practicing, they will eventually get it. I chose the ISTE standards 2C and 6C. This is geared towards my third graders. So when you get on to code.org, you're going to have to sign up for a membership. And then I will take you to the teacher dashboard. When you sign up, you can create a classroom section. I chose to create one for my students. I have 16 third graders, and I put them on course A. When they sign in, students have to have a section code, which is right here, that they have to log in with, and then they sign in with their name, and then you can set up a password, either a word or a picture. I chose to do course A for them just to start them out. So when they log on, they will have a different screen than you, but they can click different activities to get them to work on different concepts. So this is what the students look like. Their screen looks like when they come in, and they learn to take different things and put them together so that their screen, and they can learn to program them without touching the keys. My students love this because they're able to figure things out. It does get harder through the courses, so they have to challenge themselves. This is a great website. My kids love it. We do it every Tuesday. We call it Coding Tuesdays, so I hope that you'll enjoy it.